thank you, and I appreciate you investing your time and your efforts in this program. I hope you learn and glean a lot of wisdom from this. As always, let me know what I can do to improve my programs, what you like about them, what you don't like. And, when you go through these programs, take what you want, use what you want. And as always, I am open to questions and critiques and evaluations, as long as it's to help, not just to be trolling around to find something that is wrong just because you can. But if it's to help, I am always open to criticism and praise, either way. With that being said, you can go through the programs however you'd like. The Advanced Christian Doctrine one is probably the most theologically advanced. The other ones are more about, the success secrets that are in the Bible is one of the programs that's in there. And all these programs together make up for, I think, one of the largest Udemy programs with 45 lectures or more, and just information that I think you can utilize in your daily life, but also learn about what the truths are of the Bible. So with that being said, I look forward to you working through the program and to finding and taking what you want and leaving what you don't.